Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we're looking at your part Transformers 1 D16, the cogless version. I think it's the first part of the series. It's 15 centimeters tall when complete. So there's the front box, the artwork. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it in there, but it's actually here. You get a transformation cog and the rocket pack. Come as extras, bonus. Side view, the top view, which is pretty good view, I like it. Side view again. On the back, it shows you all the models that they brought out or are bringing out. These are the ones we've got now. That's the Megatron I've got, or D16. These are the ones with the cogs, and these are the powered up ones. So you get a closer look at it. Yep, so that's just the information on the bottom. So let's get it open and have a look. So we've got the model kit here, the instruction booklet, again looks pretty good, shows you how to assemble it. At the back shows you the rest of the things to put on, how to assemble fully. So let's get started on it. Right, we'll start off with let's check his body. There's his torso and his waist. Like okay, we'll get next. We want to his legs. They are rather fidgety to get out, as you can see. I've got to admit, I do like these kits, these snap together kits. Yeah, pretty good. Let's get these out. That piece, and this chrome piece goes onto here. The opposite side. So you push this piece into this piece, like so. Push it on. There we go. Now, like so many others of these, you do have different fists. So you've got a gripping fist, that you can see that or not clearly. So, you can see that. So that's the gripping fist. I'm not sure why you can see it, I will be honest with you. Got the open hand. So just dropped. There you go, the open hand. And you've got, oops, drop it. Pointing finger. Like I said, I don't know how clear you can see it on there. It's a bit of an awkward angle for me. I think on this one we'll go with open hand on the right hand side. Good thing is you can always pull out and change them if you're not happy with them. And we'll go for this on the opposite side. I'd like to change them up a bit, make them look a little bit different. Feet in place. Again, it's just a ball joint. Let's pop it in. Like that. Set them on the opposite side. Pop it in. I'm going to refer back to the instructions a little bit here, just to make sure I'm getting it all. Right, so this. You see it goes on there. Like that. The other side. So, and we've got his chest panel, like that, the back panel, goes onto the back there, like that. Finally, we have D16's head, just pushes on like that, and that's the complete D16. Now you do have, as extras, his transformation cog, which is fairly detailed. Now you can pick it up while on there. To be honest with you, and you have the rocket pack from the film. It's quite a fairly decent detailed part, which I believe you've got to pull the back panel off here to get it off, which I'm going to go put it on anyway. Can't get it off. I wouldn't. Come on. If you come there, that's cool. That's what you've got to be careful of. So that comes off and it pops in with that tab onto the square roll back, and that's him with his backpack on. So he can fly. But I'm going to leave that off. And there we have D16 Megatron. As before with the others, it does have full arm rotation, an elbow joint, wrist rotation. You can turn his head, turn that full 360, and his legs can go all the way to the side, forward, back. His knees can do an E-bend there. And here we have D16 with Generation 1 Megatron. See the size difference between the two. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back for more. Thank you very much. Bye.